Oh, look.
That sounds silly.
How? It's polka dots! Good morning. It's 7:50. Probably gonna sleep for like 10 more minutes. My mom made double espresso.
As he washes his butt?
That's what it is? I thought he flushed the toilet. You know, we have a bidet. Anyways, my mom made double espresso. I just woke up. I have to do my laundry. And then I have a meeting at 9 with my counselor because I don't know what I'm doing. What'd you put in here? What creamer is that? Macadamia?
Mm-hmm.
Ah! What are you doing in here? Ah! The heck was that? My cat is out here. She likes the cold. For whatever reason. So I'm gonna do this laundry real quick. Getting out the trash and it's freaking cold. It is freezing. It's even too cold to touch my face. I have a Zoom meeting with my counselor today and I don't know if my mic works, so I'm gonna create a Zoom meeting. I'm gonna create a Zoom meeting with Pumbaa to see if my mic works. So I got my mic to work, but I'm waiting. And like, I hate talking to people and I don't want to talk to anybody, but I need to get into college classes. So
This one's so awesome. So the bacon dinner's done?
no, this is what didn't fit. So I'm using this. I'm making Sonia and Pumbaa. Hello, I'm about to get dressed because we're gonna go to Winco. Well, we're gonna go to the bank, then we're gonna go to my grandma's, and then we're gonna go to Winco. So just got dressed. I am going to water my plants. They are drier than dry. Now my teacher decided to put 2 more. So she already had 4 from this week that are due Friday. These are due tomorrow, so I'm gonna do those. So I just finished 3 assignments. Now I'm starting my ERWC English. What in the world? Okay, so we're at the bank right now, and then we're gonna go to my grandma's, and then we're gonna go to Winco and Walmart. My mom added Walmart to the list because we need more snow for the tree. Yeah, I'm helping my grandparents load up their car. This monster is immaculate. It's like better than usual.
You know what? It's super refrigerated, 20-degree weather. It's natural gods.
We're at Winco. Oh!
I don't know if I lost it. I hope I did. Oh, I didn't get the ground beef.
My mom. Look at how many pepperonis my mom got. How? My mom was on her way home.
I know, I did a whole circle to come back.
Why'd my hair look like that? Look at it. Hi.
Hi. So, I got 4 cream cheeses. Use them from a lot of different things. I got 7-Up's, my favorite. Grape and orange Shasta. got a water and then bagged it, so we didn't even drink it. Italian sweet cream because we're almost out.
So I'm gonna wipe everything down that we're like not taking out of the container. And then this is the trash can. It's actually full.
That scared me.
Ah! So this is like the little trash can it comes with. And then we got one of these for free. And it's to recycle them. We send it to them and they recycle it for us. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coffee addiction. 10. So yeah. Oh, gross. Oh my god, why is there water in there?
Because there's liquid in the pots. I always rinse it after.
I didn't know it did that. Bro.
What happened?
Did you got my sweats?
And there, it's empty. And then a bunch of like old coffee spilled out.
Oh my, give me the mop.
Mommy. Oh, I don't think so, but it's like.
So I just changed because I spilled coffee, but this is all stuff we got from Walmart. Excuse you. This is for the tree, and then these are for my dad's mom's house. She does her own stockings like for people. Then we got a bunch of like little things to put on the tree, cat foods. My mom thought it was really cute, so that's cute. And then this I got it because I'm making my grandpa a sweater thing. Okay, so I'm going to wrap presents because I really need to. I'm falling behind and more presents are gonna be coming in the mail and then we still have to buy a bunch, so I'm gonna do that. Look at this cute wrapping paper. Okay, so first I'm wrapping Pumbaa's. I'm not gonna say what it is in case she watches this. I didn't get tape. Okay, I forgot tape, so I'm gonna go get tape. Right? Let's see what this double-sided is. It's polka dots! Hello. Okay, so I'm done wrapping. That took way too long, but I'm obviously gonna speed it up. Yeah, I wrapped 5 presents. It took me that long for 5 presents. Okay, so it's like an hour later. We've just been sitting around, kind of. I'm not gonna vlog me sitting around, but I'm going to clean my room because it's already dirty, and I'm gonna put my clothes away, and yeah. And then later I'm gonna try to make my grandpa that sweater because I only have 1 hoodie right now, so I can't make the rest. I mean 1 pullover, so I can't make the rest, but yeah, so if we have enough color in the printer, I'm gonna do that. I said I'm not gonna film me cleaning my room because I just did that like a week ago. So I'm just gonna show you guys my room and then do a transition to it clean. Alright, so this is my room right now. It's not that dirty. I just wrapped that, so that just happened. And then I'm gonna put my clothes away, so I don't get in trouble. Dirty and clean. I didn't make my bed because I don't care. I'm pretty sure that's my cat right there. Yep. But those are there because they're air drying. I don't like drying those. Those are my dirty clothes, but my mom has my basket, so I'm just leaving it there. I had that lit, but it was smelling too strong, so I just turned it off. But yeah, let me just plug in the Christmas tree. Yay. Clean. Ow. Hello. Didn't mean to wake you. So I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna go edit and check my emails and whatever. Why are you so bothered for? Anyways, I hate to leave her here. She always comes and sits with me, but I have to go do that. So, I'm gonna go do that. So my sisters did the Christmas tree. My mom flocked it more. These are like other people's presents. These aren't ours. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try this right now. There's only 6 pieces of paper that are this kind. So I put this in the printer and I don't know if it'll have enough ink, but we'll find out once I put this in there. So wait, we're just gonna try it on one. Thing? No.
You're gonna put that in the printer?
No, look.
That sounds silly.
Sounds silly?
Yeah, to put a t-shirt.
It's paper, guys.
Oh, paper?
It's paper, but it's special paper. Not this one. Oh wait, yeah, it is. You put this in there and you feel it. It goes on a shirt. Feel it. It doesn't feel like normal paper.
Feels so sad.
So you put this on there.
Feels like double-sided
and then
paper.
It'll, yeah. Whatchamacallit. So I'm gonna put Chiquita on one of these for Grandpa on a hoodie. Okay, so I'm gonna read the directions and then I'll tell you if I'm gonna do it. So this doesn't make sense. It came out so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude! That looks so good. Like ready to iron it and nobody knows where the iron is. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I'm letting it get hot. It's doing its thing. I don't know how to use an iron. Okay, so the chick I watched literally just ironed it on. So I'm scared. I'm gonna pull away from this one. Do you see it? Wait. For sure iron, you may also use a heat press. Whatever. After ironing, remove your garment from workspace and allow it to cool.
Wow. You're trying to peel it over here?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Starting now.
Okay. Oh, I turned it off. Wow. It's still kind of hot. Should I leave it for a little bit longer?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for a little bit longer because it's still warm in the middle.
It's a little bit warm.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it for like Alexa.
2 more minutes.
Yeah. Set timer for 2 minutes. Dude, it didn't transfer.
It's probably because you cut the picture.
No.
Man, why do you win Gift of the Year?
I'm gonna do 18 million of these. It looks so good.
So you're gonna need 3 packs.
Dude, that's
It
really
looks
nice.
so good.
That looks so good. He's gonna love it.
He's gonna
I'll
cry.
say-
What if he cries?
I'll say it's from all of us. Watch this girl aggressively make coffee and cleaning carpet videos for the past 15 minutes on TikTok. I also had to put a timer on TikTok because I'm on it too much, and yeah, I put a 2-hour limit, even though I don't even have 2 hours to myself. Anyways, I'm gonna shower in 10 minutes. I'm gonna go see what my mom's doing. So I've been laying in bed literally forever, and yeah, I was on the phone with my girlfriend for a little bit, and then I think I'm just gonna finish editing tomorrow morning since it's going up at 12 anyways. And yeah, I'll take apple cider right now. Literally, it smells so bad. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. If you made it to the end, let me know some things you want for Christmas, because why not? Bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Just put my retainer in. I didn't wear it for 2 nights. You could tell. Oh my god, I need to not do that because, oh my